Welcome to this video on Web3 and DeFi, explained for beginners. This is a simple guide specifically created for Papua New Guinea and the Pacific Islands. What is Web3? We've progressed from Web 1, which was read-only, to Web 2, where we can read and write. Now Web 3 allows you to read, write, and own your data. You are in control, not big companies or banks. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, contrasts with traditional finance. With DeFi, you only need a smartphone. Fees are low or zero. It's available 24/7 globally, and no one can freeze your funds. It is open to everyone, including those who are unbanked. Here are some key terms to know. The blockchain is a digital record book that everyone can see. A wallet is your personal account. A smart contract is an automatic agreement. A token or coin is digital money. A gas fee is a small transaction fee. And a DEX is a decentralized exchange for direct crypto trading. Here is how DeFi works, step by step. First, get a wallet like SafePal or Token Pocket. Second, buy a small amount of crypto. Third, connect to a DApp like Fortune Protocol or Zeradio.com. Finally, you can earn or trade without a bank. DeFi matters for PNG and the Pacific because 70% of adults are unbanked or underbanked. DeFi works from anywhere and allows instant, near-zero fee transfers. It provides access to global finance and passive income opportunities with only a smartphone and internet needed. DeFi is powerful, but you must be careful about risks. Be aware of scams and never share your seed phrase. Crypto prices are volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Watch out for smart contract bugs, know there is no customer support, and always do your own research. You can start your Web3 journey today with just a phone. Step 1. Download a wallet. Step 2. Write down your seed phrase. Step 3. Buy a small amount of crypto. Step 4. Explore a DeFi platform. Step 5. Keep learning by watching this channel every week. You are ready to explore Web3. Remember, Web3 gives you ownership and control. DeFi offers accessible financial tools, especially beneficial for PNG and Pacific people. Start small, stay safe, and always do your own research. Subscribe to Pacific Crypto Joe for weekly content.